What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Cool Product. Are you ready to spin some classic vinyl with modern convenience? Today, we are diving into the top 5 best vinyl record player with speakers options available right now to help you enjoy that rich, warm analog sound. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Thinkya vinyl record player with speakers. Thinkya vinyl record player with speakers makes enjoying your favorite music incredibly simple right out of the box. Designed as a complete all-in-one solution, it features built-in stereo speakers, meaning you do not need to worry about complicated setups or buying extra audio equipment to get started. It is a fantastic choice for beginners or anyone living in a smaller space like an apartment or dorm room where you want great sound without dealing with messy cable clutter. Beyond playing classic vinyl, this turntable is fully equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 wireless streaming. This modern edition allows you to easily connect your smartphone, tablet, or laptop and stream your digital playlists directly through the built-in speakers. It gives you the perfect mix of classic vintage charm and modern wireless convenience for everyday casual listening. When it comes to spinning your collection, the Thinkya vinyl record player uses a smooth 3-speed belt drive system. It supports 33, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute speeds, which means it can effortlessly play 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch vinyl records. The belt drive mechanism is specifically designed to reduce motor vibration, helping keep your playback steady for a warmer and much more enjoyable listening experience. To protect your valuable collection, Thinkya included a highly practical auto-stop function. When your record finishes playing, the platter automatically stops spinning. This simple feature helps reduce unnecessary wear on both your needle and your records, making your daily use much more relaxing. If you ever want to upgrade your sound for a party or a larger room, the included RCA output allows you to easily connect the turntable to external powered speakers for a louder and fuller audio experience. Visually, the Thinkya vinyl record player with speakers looks absolutely beautiful in any setting. Finished in a warm retro brown design, it adds a lovely touch of vintage style to any shelf, desk, or living room music corner. This classic and elegant appearance makes it a wonderful and thoughtful gift for music lovers, parents, or friends celebrating birthdays and holidays. Next up, at number 4, we have the Retroaudio vinyl record player with speakers. Retroaudio vinyl record player with speakers is a fantastic all-in-one system that blends the warmth of classic vinyl with the convenience of modern wireless technology. This turntable features both Bluetooth input and Bluetooth output. You can connect your smartphone to play your favorite digital playlists directly through the turntable's speakers, or you can transmit the sound of your vinyl records outward to your own wireless headphones or external Bluetooth speakers. It gives you incredible flexibility, allowing you to enjoy your music exactly how you want to. Right out of the box, the Retroaudio vinyl record player is ready to fill your room with high-quality sound through its built-in stereo speakers. It is a complete all-in-one setup, but it also leaves plenty of room for expansion. Along with the wireless options, you can use the AUX input to connect other audio devices, or use the RCA output to connect larger external speakers for a much louder and richer audio experience. The turntable also supports an auto-stop function which automatically stops the platter from spinning when the record finishes, helping to protect your collection from unnecessary wear. Audio quality is elevated thanks to the inclusion of the AT3600L magnetic cartridge stylus. This diamond-tip stylus precisely tracks the grooves of your records, delivering highly accurate and high-definition audio. You get a much richer and clearer sound compared to basic entry-level needles, ensuring that you hear every detail in your favorite albums. The smooth belt drive system offers 3 adjustable speeds, allowing you to easily play 33, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute records. Whether you are spinning 7-inch singles or full 12-inch LPs, this turntable handles them all with precision. It even includes a 45 revolutions per minute adapter. The reinforced turntable base is designed to effectively prevent vibration during playback, ensuring the sound remains steady and authentic. Crafted with premium wood, the Retroaudio vinyl record player features a beautiful retro modern design. It perfectly blends vintage charm with contemporary style, complete with a clear dust cover that protects the platter while doubling as a sleek home decor piece. Its compact size means it looks great in any living room, bedroom, or office corner, offering a complete and stylish listening experience. Taking the third spot is the Fancyrabbit vinyl record player with speakers. Fancyrabbit vinyl record player with speakers is a beautifully designed all-in-one audio system that delivers professional-grade sound precision right out of the box. Designed as a premium turntable, it comes equipped with an AT3600L magnetic cartridge and an adjustable counterweight. These advanced features ensure smooth and distortion-free tracking along the grooves of your records. The result is studio-quality high-fidelity sound that brings out the rich and warm audio vinyl lovers crave, all while keeping background noise to an absolute minimum. Beyond its classic vinyl capabilities, this turntable serves as a versatile digital hub. It features Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to wirelessly stream your modern digital playlists straight from your smartphone or tablet. It also includes an auxiliary input for wired connections to other devices like televisions or gaming consoles. Playing both 33 and 45 revolutions per minute records, it perfectly blends vintage charm with modern convenience, making it a great centerpiece for any multi-generational household. What truly sets the Fancyrabbit vinyl record player apart is its impressive 4-speaker sound system. Instead of basic built-in speakers, this turntable features dual silk tweeters and dual mid-bass drivers. This setup delivers room-filling, perfectly balanced sound with surprisingly deep bass and crystal-clear highs. It is designed to minimize distortion, making it perfect for critical listening when you want to catch every single detail of your favorite album. The aesthetic design is just as impressive as the sound. Crafted from natural wood and sleek metal, this Bluetooth turntable looks elegant and feels premium. Its vintage design effortlessly complements modern, rustic, or retro interiors, easily doubling as a beautiful piece of home decor for your daily entertainment space. Even with its professional features, the Fancyrabbit vinyl record player offers an effortless plug-and-play user experience. There is no complicated preamp setup required for immediate enjoyment, and the universal headshell makes swapping out the stylus quick and easy. Combining simple setup for beginners with high-end features for serious collectors, this elegant and powerful turntable makes an incredible gift for any music enthusiast celebrating a birthday or the holidays. Coming in at number 2 is the Udreamer vinyl record player with speakers. Udreamer vinyl record player with speakers brings the nostalgic charm of classic vinyl into your home with a portable dual-speaker design that sounds as beautiful as it looks. This turntable stands out immediately with its classic vintage style. The design of the control dial is inspired by the past, featuring aged textures, vintage fonts, and a soft color palette that creates a wonderful nostalgic effect. It is not just an audio device, but a tasteful piece of room decoration that evokes memories of times gone by, making it a brilliant gift for birthdays or the holidays. The portable design also makes it easy to move around the house or take with you on the go. When it comes to audio, the carefully crafted dual speakers deliver full and rich sound directly out of the box, but this player is not just for vinyl. It features a built-in Bluetooth music receiver upgraded with the newest Bluetooth 5.3 version. This allows you to wirelessly stream your favorite music from your mobile phone with a much faster and more stable connection, totally free from cables and wires. If you want to play music from a flash drive, there is also a convenient USB port included, giving you even more ways to enjoy your digital music collection. For your vinyl records, the Udreamer vinyl record player with speakers uses a smooth belt drive system that offers 3 adjustable speeds. You can easily switch between 33 and 1/3, 45 and 78 revolutions per minute to play all your 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch records. It even comes with a 45 revolutions per minute adapter, making it highly versatile for a massive range of record playback. This system also keeps daily operation incredibly simple. It includes a helpful auto-stop switch that automatically pauses the turntable when the record finishes playing. This thoughtful detail goes a long way in protecting your valuable records from unnecessary needlewear. Finally, if you ever want to upgrade your sound setup, the simple RCA port allows for an easy connection to larger external speakers. Combining classic aesthetics, modern wireless streaming, and reliable playback, this turntable offers a wonderful way to enjoy your favorite music. And finally, our top pick, the Seasonlife vinyl record player with speakers. Seasonlife vinyl record player with speakers is a stunning all-in-one audio system that perfectly blends vintage style with modern convenience. Featuring a beautiful minimalist and retro design, this turntable looks incredibly high-end. It comes with a detachable hinged dust cover that protects your records when not in use without getting in the way of playback. Whether you place it on a bookshelf or a dedicated record stand, it serves as a highly functional piece of art, making it a brilliant gift for birthdays and Christmas, especially for music lovers. This system is incredibly easy to set up, making it a fantastic choice for beginners. You do not need to figure out complicated audio equipment because it comes equipped with a separable pair of external bookshelf speakers. These dual speakers deliver full, real, and lively vinyl audio right out of the box. The volume is loud enough to fill a living room, spark up a party, or even bring music out to your garden. If you want even more power, you can connect your own externally powered speakers using the included dual RCA output cables. Beyond playing classic records, the Seasonlife vinyl record player features built-in Bluetooth connectivity. This allows you to easily pair your Android smartphone, tablet, or PC to stream your favorite digital playlists directly through the turntable's external speakers. For even more listening options, the AUX input port lets you connect MP3 players or other wired devices. When it comes to your vinyl collection, this 3-speed record player handles everything. It easily plays all your 33, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute records, and even includes a 45 revolutions per minute adapter. It also features a highly practical auto-stop function. When the needle reaches the end of the record, the turntable automatically stops spinning, helping to protect your valuable vinyl from unnecessary scratching and wear. Combining rich external sound, elegant vintage looks, modern Bluetooth streaming, and beginner-friendly operation, the Seasonlife vinyl record player with speakers delivers a premium listening experience with attention to detail that sets it apart. Ready to elevate your vinyl listening experience? Check the price links in the description to secure your perfect record player today. Make sure to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more excellent audio gear reviews.